Hi everyone, I wanted to make a short video checking in. Again, I'm Laurie. I'm your online professor for this course. We are at the end of week 4. I can't believe we're so far in the semester. It's great, but what it means is that you will be starting to work on your first paper, analytic paper number 1. So I wanted to make this video to help you understand the assignment. The point of the paper is for you to more formally think about the readings that we've had so far this semester. I hope you're finding your way around and things are becoming more comfortable for you online. So let's look at the assignment together. I'm going to make myself smaller, just in video, not in life. And you'll be looking at the syllabus here. You can see week 4, we return to comments after your excellent discussion boards. And week 5, Monday, February 10th, your first analytic paper is due by 11 p.m. I've deleted the comments. I thought that was way too much work. If you're having trouble finding our online Google syllabus, which does change, so I recommend you looking online as opposed to making a paper copy. It's both in D2L, which here's our D2L. It's right on the home page on the announcements, how to find our syllabus. And if you also go to the last email I sent you, updates and clarifications, it also has a link to our syllabus. So back to the syllabus. If you turn to page 6, okay, I'm going to go now in the document, so it might give you a headache. Be easy on the watching. Page 6 has the description of our papers. We're going to do 2. The work this semester is really set up in thirds. The first third is comments, 2 discussion boards, and this first paper. The second third, we continue with the comments and the discussion boards, and then you do your second paper. And then the last part of the semester, we continue with the comments and discussion boards. You'll do a feminist event response paper, and at the end, you'll turn in a public service announcement based on something you think is important for people to get educated about. But let's return to our next assignment, the first analytic paper. So what you need to do is read the assignment carefully in the syllabus. If we were in a face-to-face class together, I would have one of you read it out loud. But this is your chance. You should pause the video right now and read the assignment. Okay, then you can turn me back on because I'm fabulous, and I'm going to explain in more detail. You'll need to choose one term, either the term inequality, the term power, or the term oppression. You can see they are right here in the description. All right? So your paper is to define that term, inequality or power or oppression, and then discuss how the term is explained in one of our readings from the first 5 weeks of the semester. I know it says 5 to 6 here, but let's just go with the first 5 weeks. So you define the term and you talk about how it relates to one of our readings that we've done so far. It could be something from the hooks. It could be any of our shorter readings. And you then need to also include correct bibliographic reference for your reading. And there's a video on how to reference a reading from an edited document. There's 2 or 3 descriptions in the homepage announcement in our D2L. So please let me know if you have questions. So I also talk about how you'll be graded. You need to proofread well. You need a thesis statement. Also on the D2L, there's how to make a thesis statement. And here I say a thesis statement is not the subject. I will look at hooks and thou. But you have to say, I argue using bell hooks that silence is not a form of power, or something like that. All right, so that's the paper assignment, and I look forward to reading your papers. I hope you're having a great time online. Remember, I do Google Hangouts, video class office hours on Mondays from noon to 2. You can also just email me whenever you need, and I'll get back to you. Okay, take good care. Peace.